Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Kitsamus, and we're now moving on to step 2 of bag 7, and in this step we're going to assemble the CVA joints and fit those into the hubs. So I've built one of them already. They go together nice and easily. So first of all, instructions recommend that you apply some of the black grease that we got in the kit for building the diff. So I've applied that to the CVA coupler. Put the coupler into the CVA bone, and I'm just going to get a little bit more black grease on the bottom of it before I put it into the CVA axle. Just making sure it's in the correct orientation for the pin to go through, and then the pins just push in. Really nice, interference free fit, provided you've lined everything up. Everything is lined up there, trying to keep it lined up and put the pin in. There we go, and the pin's gone in, and the only thing that's going to retain that is the bearing. So the bearing pushes over the top, and with that over the top there's no way for the pin to come out, so that's going to hold the CVAs together. Do that on the other side. There we go, and then we push those into the hubs. It's quite obvious which one's the inside and which one's the outside, because they use different size bearings. And then you've just got an outer ball race to fit. I picked my right ones. That does seem like a very tight fit. Nope. There we go. They go over. It's just a case of aligning it correctly, and they do just drop over the shaft. And there we go. That completes step 2, bag 7. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.